Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another pandemic EBT video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the latest and greatest of pandemic EBT, and that includes the summer pandemic EBT with $375, as well as we have some assistance for my seasoned seniors, and we have a lot more to discuss. So if you want to know what is going on in the lovely world of EBT, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me finding this information and bringing it to you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, definitely check those out. I posted a lot this weekend. As well as go ahead and get my ebook. Y'all know I always got to go ahead and plug in my ebook because I know there's a lot of you that want to get on YouTube, and it's pretty lucrative to get on YouTube, might I say. Okay, so go ahead and get this money. Okay, you know I'm not stingy with it. As well as if you are an EBT recipient, go ahead and get this Amazon Prime for $5.99 or try it out for free. 30 days on your girl. Now, I know a lot of you guys want to know about the emergency allotment and the maximum benefits. So the following states have been approved for emergency allotment, and I got the payout dates. Alabama, September 1st, California, October 23rd, Colorado, September 7th through the 11th, Connecticut, September 17th, Delaware, September 29th, DC, your regular programming, Georgia, September 27th through the 30th, Guam, September 17th, Hawaii, October 11th, Kansas, October 15th through the 24th, Kentucky, September 2nd through the 19th, Indiana, September 5th through the 23rd, odd days only. Illinois, September 1st through the 9th of September, through the 20th. Iowa, September 1st through the 10th. Maine, September 10th. Maryland, sometime in September. Massachusetts, October 4th. Michigan, September 25th through October 4th. Mississippi, September 2nd. New Hampshire, September 5th and 21st. New Jersey, September 1st through 5th. New York, September 16th through the 30th. And then for the rest of the state, September 16th through the 23rd. North Carolina, September 22nd through October 1st. Ohio, September 27th. Oregon, September 10th, the 29th, and October 1st. Pennsylvania, September 16th through the 29th. Rhode Island, September 3rd. South Carolina, September 1st through the 19th. Utah, September 26th. Vermont, October 14th. Virginia, September 16th. Virgin Islands, September 25th. Washington, your regular schedule. Wisconsin, September 25th. Wyoming, September 2nd through the 7th. So let's go ahead and keep the party going. This is the regular pandemic EBT for August of 2020 until June of 2021, last year's EBT. So the following states have been approved as well. Alabama, Alaska, American Samoa, Arizona, Arkansas, California, CNMI, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, DC, Florida, Georgia, Guam, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Northern Mariana Islands, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Puerto Rico, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Virgin Islands, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. And then we have the latest states that have been approved for the $375 summer pandemic EBT with the payout dates as well. Alabama, September 10th through the 23rd. Alaska, September. American Samoa, November. Arizona, August 27th. Arkansas, July 21st. California, December. Colorado, October. Connecticut, September 18th. Delaware, July 8th. DC, September 30th. Georgia, December 31st. Hawaii, July and August. Illinois, September 11th through the 20th. Indiana, mid-June. Iowa, August 11th through the 20th. Kansas, September 20th. Kentucky, August. Louisiana, August. Maine, September. Maryland, September and October. Massachusetts, July and August. Michigan, August. Minnesota, July and September. Mississippi, September 17th. Missouri, August 27th through September 3rd. Montana, August. Nebraska, September 8th. New Jersey, August. New York, September. North Carolina, mid-June. Ohio, July. Oregon, September and October. Pennsylvania, October 8th. Puerto Rico, July. Rhode Island, July and August. South Carolina, August. South Dakota, September 15th. Tennessee, July. Texas, September. Utah at the end of August. Vermont, July. Virginia, August. Washington, July. West Virginia, July 12th, and Wisconsin, September. All right, guys, and the plot thickens in Florida. A debate grows over calls for Florida governor to apply for money to feed children. So calls are growing for Florida Governor Ron DeSantis to apply for the federal money to feed Florida's children. Signatures are being collected and voices are getting louder and louder as lawmakers apply this pressure. They're like, look, listen here, DeSantis, you're going to apply for this $820 million that sits on the table in pandemic relief to feed these kids. Now, the governor office states the program, which began at the beginning of the pandemic when students were going to school virtually, is no longer necessary. Florida is the only state to not apply for these benefits. Now, 1 in 5 kids in Duval County does not have reliable access to food, according to Feeding America reports. Now, of the food insecure children in Duval, more than 30% are likely not eligible for the federal nutrition programs. First Coast News asked the governor about applying for the money, and in a response, he said, hey, this is because schools are now back open. Students can receive high quality nutrition directly from our schools. Now, I don't know what he's talking about high quality in nutrition, because when I was going to school, you know, that pizza was not nutritious at all. I mean, every now and then you might got a little taco salad or some chicken, but I don't know about high quality either. Now, they state because of the pandemic funding, students in quarantine can still get food assistance, and that as far as they are aware, all students in need were able to access nutrition through programs over summer break. And they said, look, they have a lot of shelters and food pantries that can assist the need. Now, Florida school districts have received SR funding, which will provide additional services for students in any event that they're sent home due to COVID exposure or infection. Now, therefore, students are temporarily unable to go to school. They can still get the food assistance they need. So they're like, hey, we're using this funds to help children that are in quarantine. We do not need to actually apply for these benefits. But hey, lawmakers are still not pleased with it. And as of right now, Florida is number 6 in using SR spending compared to other states. Next, we are moving to Texas, where Governor Greg Abbott announced that the Texas Health and Human Services Commission has received federal approval to provide replacement benefits for SNAP recipients for food that was lost or destroyed due to Hurricane Nicholas. Now, SNAP recipients that were impacted by Hurricane Nicholas, you can apply for replacement food stamp benefits and regular SNAP allotments, as well as the SNAP emergency allotments provided in response to COVID-19. So to allow people to continue social distancing and stay at home, they encourage SNAP clients to request their replacement food benefits by dialing 211 and then pressing option number 5. Or recipients can download the form H1855 affidavit for non-receipt or destroyed SNAP program benefits on the Texas website. So to limit exposure to COVID-19, you're encouraged to mail or fax the completed form to the department instead of visiting the local offices. For more information, you can visit hhstexas.gov. And for the last story, EBT recipients in North Carolina have been approved for the hot waiver for Buncombe, Haywood, and Transylvania counties. Now, today, the Health and Human Services announced that the U.S. Department of Agriculture approved North Carolina's request for a hot food waiver and food nutrition services recipients in 3 western counties that experienced damage due to the tropical storm Fred. This waiver will allow food and nutrition services recipients in Buncombe, Haywood, and Transylvania counties to purchase hot food prepared for immediate consumption with their EBT cards from deli departments at EBT authorized retailers from September 16th through September 30th. This does not include restaurants or any other non-EBT authorized retailers. So, according to this waiver, families will be able to get the hot meals that they're unable to prepare at home due to the damage of homes or displacement, and that way you will still have access to warm meals. If you have any other information or questions, please contact the Department of Social Services office. And this is all I have, guys. Like, this is all I have. I'll keep looking for the money. I'll keep bringing the updates. Please purchase my ebook. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.